actually
okay.
move that. We cannot because of the legs.
Okay. Then.
Then when you find your position, when you say that's okay, then we lock this.
I'll find a position on the lady. They lock in on the lady. That's my position. Okay.
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 I do the speed on 1 and so.
Yeah. And then you can say up and then.
Okay. Okay. Let's go up. Up. And then, is it typical that my feet would still be dangling?
Yes, but there is a platform. We can put the platform, or you put on the side.
That's good.
Yeah, you can put anywhere. We have also a platform around so people can stay there.
There we go.
This one you can use,
Yeah.
so, or you want this one?
I think I got it.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay. And then, okay, let's go up. And there go the feet. It's okay to stand here, huh?
Yeah, you can. Only this here.
It's fascinating.
Yeah, you can remove. This is for a grip and for batteries and transit, but you need only the middle part, and then you have everything.
And then your lens.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It looks like you're setting up for surround sound.
Yeah,
It's
that is what it is.
9.1.
Yeah. Is the laser to
That's
measure, to balance, I mean, to set them at the
yeah,
same
yeah.
level?
Here I'm still measuring.
That's fantastic. That's pretty intense.
This can do 16 and 35, and now we get a gate, hopefully soon coming, Super 8. Yeah. But that's a 4K scanner and 2K for 16 millimeter, and we will have end of the year a really high-end scanner, but they cost a fortune, you know. That and then